Today we'll be discussing the Bosch RideCare Companion, and be sure to stick around until the end because we'll be doing a giveaway of 1 unit. The Bosch RideCare Companion is a connected dash cam which includes on-demand 24/7 support from a live operator as needed. It's a dual camera dash cam with both an interior and exterior camera. Both cameras record at 1080p. The interior footage stays on the device and can be uploaded to the cloud via the app. You can also choose to have the exterior footage sent to the cloud by pressing the button at the bottom of the device. This automatically captures the last 3 minutes of exterior footage, sending that to the cloud. And once the footage goes to the cloud, you can keep it there for 1 month or download it to your phone. Now, if an incident occurs while you're using the Bosch RideCare Companion, you can press the wireless SOS button to call a live agent immediately, and you can discreetly place that button wherever you would like in your car. Those Bosch operators will have instant access to the footage inside your vehicle via the camera and can call the police if the situation requires it. They can share your precise location and provide the police with any information they need. And if you can talk on the phone, a live agent can also call you to discuss the situation to better understand what you may need. Alright, so the main differentiator with this camera is it gives you access to a live agent 24/7. There's also their driver app portal. This is where you get all your footage recorded. It also has something called camera check. The AI algorithms ensure that the camera is properly positioned and footage can be captured, and it will notify you if the camera is tilted improperly or has other issues obstructing its view. The unit itself sells for $250 on Gridwise. Plus, it is $10 a month with the cloud service with the first month free. But if you use our promo code Bosch RSG, you can get the unit for $199. I really like the design of this dash cam. It's clean, it's a dual camera dash cam, and all rideshare drivers should have a dual camera dash cam to both record the interior and exterior of the vehicle. But again, the main differentiator is you have access to a live person 24/7. Now, this is a cloud-based camera, but it does require some proactivity to send the footage to the cloud. If you want to send the footage to the cloud, you have to actively do it, and then it's stored there for 30 days. So again, we recommend that all drivers have dash cams. This is a great solution. It's a cloud-based camera. You have live access to an agent 24/7. It's comparable in cost to the other cloud-based cameras that we reviewed. The device is exclusively available through Gridwise. It does retail for $250, but remember, if you use our promo code, you can get it for $199. As far as the giveaway, again, we'll be giving away 1 unit, and if you want to be entered, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, make sure to like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Bosch RideCare Companion. Again, we recommend that all drivers have a dual camera dash cam to record both the interior and exterior, and this is a great solution. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.